ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ ਜੀ ਕਾ ਖਾਲਸਾ ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ ਜੀ ਕੀ ਫਤਿਹ। I am Jaskaran Singh of class 10th of Akal Academy Kolyawali. Today I will discuss activity. The name of that activity will be volume of cone proof. In this activity we will prove the volume of cone using a volume of cylinder. So the aim of this activity will be to find volume of cone using the volume of cylinder. The material needed in this activity will be A3 white sheets, ruler, pair of scissors, a black marker and sellotape. The procedure of this activity will be, we will make a cylinder and a cone of same radius. So let's first make a cylinder. So step 1 will be, take a white sheet and draw a rectangle with a breadth 10 cm, and length 2 pi r. 2 pi r equals to 2 into 22 by 7 into 3.5. We will take 3.5 as a radius of cylinder and both cone also. Okay, you may take any radius what you want. Okay, so the answer will come 22 centimeter. See, 22 centimeter length and 10 centimeter breadth. So after making this rectangle, cut it out carefully with a pair of scissors. Now take another white sheet and draw a circle of radius 3.5 centimeter. Same radius. So cut it out carefully with a pair of scissors after when it's ready. Okay, now fold the rectangular sheet from both sides to form a cylinder and tape it, and take the circular base and tape it. Okay, so we will cut out this rectangular piece and fold it in the shape of cylinder and tape the edges, which edges will be opened. Okay, and after that we will paste the circular base, this circle of the radius 3.5, down the cylinder shape. Okay, so let me show you. This is the cylinder made by me. See. Okay, so next step will be making of cone. First step will be, take a sheet and draw circle of radius 10.6. Why 10.6? Because length equals to under root r square plus h square equals to under root 3.5 square. Why 3.5 square? Because we will take the same radius as taken in the cylinder. Okay, plus 10 square because the breadth was 10 square. Okay, then the answer will come 10.6 centimeter. So then we will cut out the circle. Now after cutting out the circle, we will divide the circle. Fold the circle horizontally and vertically to mark the center and the radius. Okay, so the center is this. Now cut along one side it. Okay, so we will cut one side of the circle after folding it horizontally and vertically. So I will cut this side. Now fold it in the shape of a cone and tape it. So let me show you my cone. So this is the cone prepared by me. So now we are done with our cylinder and cone of same height and radius. Next, so now we will fill our cone with sand, and then we will pour the sand into the cylinder. So now we can see the cylinder is not halfly full. So we will fill the cone once again. So we will fill the cone second time and then pour it once again in the cylinder. So we can see the cone is not fully filled. We will fill it properly up to the brim. So we will fill the cone once again the third time. So the third time we will pour it again in the cylinder. So we can see that the cylinder is fully filled. So next, so after the sand procedure, filling the cone with sand and filling up the cylinder, the observation of this activity will be filling a cone as a radius of the cylinder fills the cylinder fully up. Okay, and the conclusion of this activity will be volume of cone equals to 1 by 3 of volume of cylinder equals to 1 by 3 into pi r square h equals to 1 by 3 pi r square h, means 3 times the volume of cone is equals to the volume of cylinder. Thanks a lot.